Hello, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Yves here again. So today we are going to talk about the beauty uses of Vasline, the magic jelly. Yes, the good old Vasline. Vasline has been around for so many years. Back in the day when grandma used to put Vaseline on your body, in your hair, and we use Vaseline for basically everything. It was the base for so many things. Now you hear people saying Vaseline contains petroleum jelly, it's not good, don't use it, it's going to hurt your skin, it's going to hurt your hair, blah 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 blah. But guys, there are so many beauty benefits of Vaseline that you need to know. These benefits I have tested and tried, and it came out great. Now let's talk about our lips. You want your lips to be softer and smoother? Vaseline to the rescue. You are going to use it like a lip balm. Vaseline is going to soften the skin on your lips, especially for those with very dry, chapped lips, and especially during the winter. You are going to need some Vaseline on your lips. Just dip your finger into it and rub it on your lips. Of course, you don't have to eat it. You don't have to lick it off. You just have to leave it on your lips. And you are going to realize that you are going to kiss your dry and cracked lips goodbye. It's also going to help in getting rid of the dead skin on your lips. If you have, dry, dead skin, which is not so cute, just put a little bit of Vaseline on your lips, and your lips are going to be so smooth and supple and very kissable. If you want those perfect lips, just put some Vaseline on your lips. Okay, the next beauty benefit of Vaseline is that it's very great for dry feet. Okay, it is used in foot care. Just put your feet in lukewarm water for about 30 minutes, okay? Afterwards, just wash your feet, yeah? And give it a little scrub. Now, get some Vaseline, like a teaspoonful of Vaseline, and come in with a little bit of baking soda. Just mix everything up and rub it on your feet, at the soles of your feet. Put on your favorite socks. Go to bed, wake up the next morning, and you are going to be amazed at how soft your feet are and how smooth your feet are. If you suffer from cracked feet and very dry feet, just put Vaseline on it and leave it alone. You don't need to do anything else. Just put it on, put on your socks, go about, do your daily duties. If you do this every day for 1 week, you are going to kiss dry feet and chapped feet goodbye. You wouldn't even see them again. The very first time you try this, you are going to see great improvement the next day. It's like magic. Vaseline on your chapped dry feet is like magic. You need to give it a try. Vaseline is also used on the face. Do you want a beautiful, younger looking, glowy face? Do you want to get rid of fine lines, get rid of wrinkles, get rid of blemishes? Do you want to improve the texture of your skin? Yes. Then put Vaseline on your face. This is how you're going to do it. Wash your face and come in with a warm towel. Just put a warm towel on your face to help open up the pores. Afterwards, get some Vaseline and massages on your face. This should be done before going to bed. Just massages on your face and go to bed. When you wake up in the next morning, you are going to write a comment and thank me later. Another way you can use Vaseline on your face is by mixing it with a little bit of baking soda. This is very good for those with acne marks and acne scars. You mix it with baking soda, starting from a clean face. Just put it on your face, and you can come in with some plastic wraps, because you want some heat, especially if it's not in the summer, and increase its potency. Just cover it up with a plastic wrap. Leave it on your face for about 20 to 30 minutes. Then take off the plastic wrap, rinse your face with some lukewarm water, and wash it off with a very mild soap. If you do this about 3 times or 2 times in a week, you are going to kiss your acne scars, your dry skin, your chapped skin, your hyperpigmentation, goodbye. Do you ever wonder why the Asian women have those, very smooth, silky faces? Yes, it's because they use lots of Vaseline on their face. Now, during the winter, this is great for your body as well, but obviously you cannot go ahead, smearing Vaseline on your body. Apart from the fact that it's too thick, is so much of a work to, just be smearing Vaseline on your body. You are going to end up, sticky, and you don't want that. So this is how we do it. Get a little bit of your favorite body lotion, mix it with some Vaseline, mix it very, very well. Then you can use it for your body. This is done during the winter to trap in the moisture, to give you that natural looking glow, and to prevent, the natural moisture in your skin from escaping. So this can also be used on the body, but you have to mix it with your favorite skin lotion or skin cream. Another great beauty benefit of Vaseline is to use it on your hands. Do you have dried, wrinkled hands? Do you have, chapped hands? Vaseline to the rescue. You are going to realize that when you buy a hand cream, it contains Vaseline. When you buy a foot cream, it contains Vaseline. It is the base. So just take a little bit of Vaseline, especially when you're going into bed, after you have washed your hands, then rub it on your hands, massage it on your hands. If you've got some cotton gloves, just put it on and go to bed. When you wake up the next morning, you wouldn't believe how your hands are going to look. It's going to iron out the wrinkles, get rid of the dry skin. It's going to make it look very, very supple. Your fingers are going to look so good in that engagement ring. So if you're getting married or if he's going to propose, you better start preparing your hands and your fingers for that special day by using Vaseline. Now, the very last thing I want to talk about, this is not for the skin, but it is for the hair. Vaseline is great for the hair. Now, many years ago, our grandmothers used to put Vaseline in our hair, and Vaseline was the base of all the, the hair grease, the blue magic, the Dax, all those do grow and all that. It has petroleum jelly as its base. So Vaseline was the base. And this helps to trap in moisture, especially for those with kinky, coily, curly hair. This is very great because this hair dries easily and moisture escapes very, very easily from this kind of hair. So what you do is to wash your hair, condition it, and then come in with some Vaseline to seal in the moisture. And you are going to keep your moisture for the whole day. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed it. Do you use Vaseline? Don't you use Vaseline? Do you like Vaseline, or you don't like Vaseline because of what you have heard? Let me find out in the comment section. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.